all thought. The word Dajjal, which comes from the Arabic word meaning to deceive, to cheat, to smear with tar, does not appear in the Quran. The Dajjal is described in considerable detail in all major collections of hadith, including the two well-known Sahih collections of Imam al-Bukhari and Imam Muslim, especially in the section which are concerned with the last day, the period of time immediately preceding the end of the world, as well as in many other compilations of hadith such as Al-Mishkat, Al-Masabi, the Garden of Righteous, and Al-Muwatta of Imam Malik. There are three aspects of Dajjal. There is Dajjal, the individual. There is a Dajjal, worldwide social and cultural phenomenon. There is a Dajjal as unseen force. According to scholarly opinions, the latter two aspects will be established before Dajjal, the individual, will appear. That is, he will appear when the support system he needs is in place throughout the world, either directly or indirectly. Dajjal, the individual, will be epitome of the Dajjal system, the ultimate kafir, and therefore inevitability to be chosen as the leader of that system. When he appears, the letter KFR are the basis root letters of the Arabic word kufr or kafir. Kufr is to cover up and to reject. The kafir is one who covers up the true nature of existence and who rejects the messenger of Allah, who are sent by Allah to show people how to live in harmony with what is within in them and with what is without them, and to worship and have knowledge of Allah. The Prophet Muhammad say that kufr is one system. The kufr system is the Dajjal. The three aspects of Dajjal are in fact interlinked and invisible. The Dajjal is also described in hadith as having many eyes on both sides and traveling about the world in large hordes. Among other descriptions of Dajjal, in the hadith collection we found the following: the Dajjal can be heard all over the world at the same time. Dajjal will talk to the fire, Jahannam, make it seem like the garden, Jannah. Dajjal, the sick man of humanity, will talk of the garden and make it seem like the fire. Two examples of these relate to others of justice and peace. He will proclaim justice, but he will pursue injustice. He will proclaim peace, but he will pursue the opposite of peace. And every proclamation by of him so-called peace will be a deterioration of whatever is left of peace. That is, he will do exactly opposite of what is proclaimed. The following are facts taken from the saying of the Messenger of Allah regarding Dajjal, the individual name and title. His name will be Abdullah, son of cited. It's possible that the correct reading of his father's name may actually be Siyadit. His title is Al-Masih Dajjal, meaning the false Messiah. However, he also claims divinity, thus he is also a false deity family lineage. The Dajjal will be Jewish character. He will be very irascible and get extremely angry. The first thing by the incitement of which he would come out before the public would be his anger. Physical features: he will blind in one eye, while his other will be like a floating grape. He will be short, fat, crooked, ledged, with black curly, woolly hair and a ruddy complexion. He will have on his forehead between his eyes the word kafir, which any believer, literate or illiterate, can read. Jazakallah.